Hello everyone, so today we're gonna make some fruit scones, typical from Devon. Yeah, super easy. I'm sure I've done it before, but I'm gonna add a little touch of magic. So we need multi-purpose flour, 450 grams. You need a large bowl because you're gonna mix it with the butter, so you need to have space, yeah? So in there, you're gonna need some butter, 80 grams. Okay, so 80 grams of butter, which we're gonna slice in small dice. Small pieces inside your flour, yeah? Okay, then 80 grams of castor sugar. Okay, some baking powder. We need 28 grams. There. Then for later, we need some raisins, 150 grams. So I put quite extra raisins. The classic one has a bit less fruit, but I like to have quite enough fruits. And 250 grams of milk. Yeah. Let's finish that one. Yeah. That's it. So now let's mix it. So mix all the ingredients together. Crush the butter inside the flour, like a short crust pastry, basically. It's gonna take a little while, but it's very nice to do. Okay, so now the butter is well combined to the flour. You see, even the flour has turned yellow. You have still little pieces, but that doesn't matter because it's gonna be crushed again with the milk. So, gonna put the milk. And the raisins. We're gonna mix it only with one hand so we keep one dry. So if you come to Devon, if you don't try a scone, you missed everything. It's gonna be all combined together. Make it nice dough. Clean the bowl. That's it. You don't add any flour, even if it's sticky on your finger, doesn't matter, because we're gonna add some flour when we roll it. So that's it. You have a beautiful dough now. Okay. ready to be rolled. Okay, so we're gonna roll it. Bit of flour on your bench. Little bit of flour on top. I'm just gonna use my finger to flat it up. Don't need a rolling pin. Make sure it doesn't stick on your bench. So keep moving it, yeah. And the thickness of your cutter, just below your cutter, is good. And the cutter, this one is 7.5 centimeter, yeah. We're gonna cut it up. So what you could do, you can add some vanilla extract or even some citrus zest. It's really up to you, but this is really the original with a bit extra raisins. So see the trimmings, I've put them back together. See the trimmings, put them back together. Don't work the dough too much, you know, just enough. And whatever you have leftover trimming, put them underneath. That's it. Till the last piece of dough, yeah? So now we're gonna egg wash them. I could use a brush, but this is much quicker. That's it. Oven 170 degrees for at least 16 minutes. So the scone has been 16 minutes and is actually fine. You can tell it has a nice color, and when you look at the bottom, see the bottom has a nice color too. So they're done. I'm gonna let them cool down and maybe set them up with a bit of clotted cream and strawberry jam. Very traditional. So we're gonna open the scone. They're still steaming, they're still hot. Put a bit jam here. So we're gonna do it the Devon way. Clotted cream first. So clotted cream is delicious, very thick cream, very rich, and made with full fat milk. I don't think you can find it anywhere else than UK. It's really like butter. It's quite sticky as well. So you spread it as much as you can. So if you're not living in UK, perhaps you could try with mascarpone. That's how it's done. Beautiful afternoon tea. Nice cup of tea. that cream, even this cream on its own, is really something delicious. Voilà, that's all.